Hello students. Now we will look at that ideal regenerative Rankine cycle. I think this regeneration word we have heard in gas turbine also, where the exhaust which is going out, hits the incoming air. So we are trying to take advantage of the heat contained in the exhaust gas to heat the compressed air so that the thermal efficiency increases. Similarly, in a simple Rankine cycle, the condensed working fluid is pumped to the boiler at temperatures much lower than the boiler temperature. The the boiler temperature is high, but the water what we are pumping in is at a very low temperature. So this irreversible mixing with the boiler reduces the cycle efficiency, and hence to overcome this, a method used to heat the feed water by interchange of heat within the system is called as regenerative feed heat, and the corresponding cycle is known as regenerative cycle or bleeding cycle. So we will see the diagram with along with the flow diagram along with the TS diagram. So please see here, this is a boiler. Okay, what we are doing when we are pumping the water to the boiler, it is passing through the annulus of the turbine and going to the boiler. Boiler, okay, boiler it is expanding in the turbine. It is coming to the condenser, going to the pump. Okay, from pump it is being uh, pumped through the annulus of the turbine, annular spacing, and then it goes, after getting heated, it goes to the boiler, and this is a cycle. Okay, if you say turbine 1 to 2 2 dash turbine, then condenser, then pump, then it is heating 4 to 4 dash, then it is coming to the boiler. If you look at the TS diagram, here you can see 1 2 3 4 4 dash is the actual Rankine cycle. But now by reheating, the 1 to 2 dash, it will come to 2 dash, then 3 4 4 dash. So 1 2 dash 3 4 4 dash is the regenerative Rankine cycle. And please remember one thing, 1 to 2 dash, this part is parallel to the 4 to 4 dash 3, this part. Okay, so and entropy 3 is equal to 4, then entropy 1 is equal to 2, entropy at 1 is equal to entropy at 2. Okay, see here, 1 2 3 4 4 dash, 1 is a Rankine, simple Rankine cycle, 1 2 dash, so it has come to the curved line here, 2 dash. Okay, this is the difference in the regenerative cycle. In the regenerative cycle, the condensed working fluid comes out of the pump, is made to circulate in the annular space around the turbine casing, counterflow to the direction of the steam flow of the turbine. By this arrangement, heat is transferred from the vapor to the liquid around the turbine. The temperature of the feed water increases to a certain extent. Steam expands in the turbine from condition 1 to 2 dash instead of the usual path 1 to 2. Gets condensed in the condenser, process 2 dash to 3, and then pumped into the annular space 3 to 4, followed by regenerative heating, process 4 to 4 dash, and heating feed water in boiler, process 4 dash to 1. It is clear that the water enters the boiler in the regenerative cycle at 4 T 4 instead of T4. It enters the T4 dash instead of T4, as in the case of simple Rankine cycle. The average temperature of heat addition in ideal regenerative cycle is thus greater than that of the simple Rankine cycle, thus resulting in an increase in the efficiency of the regenerative cycle. Now to find out the efficiency, it is very simple. See here, in regenerative cycle, heat added Qs is equal to T1 into delta S. Delta S is entropy S, S1 minus S4 dash. Similarly, heat rejected is T2 into delta S. Delta S here is S2 dash minus S3. We will now show that S1 minus S4 dash and S2 dash minus S3 are same or equal. Okay. Since paths 1 and 2 dash and 4 dash and 3 are parallel, we have S4 dash minus S3 is equal to S1 minus S2 dash, or S1 minus S4 dash is equal to S2 minus S3 dash. When I say that S1 minus S4 dash, this is equal to S2 dash minus S3 dash. Hence, from the equation 1 and 2, we have Q rejected by Q supplied is equal to T2 by T1, S2 dash minus S3 divided by S1 dash S1 minus S4 dash. These two cancel. So QR minus divided by QS is equal to T2 by T1